Come on.
Those are your Freddy Krueger fingers.
Say rah, Daddy. She wants to get him off herself. You need help? Okay. Okay.
Aww. That was really cute. Go, go, go.
Oh, babe, they have a preschool that
She needs to go to preschool.
they have a preschool that during the preschool it teaches you dance, gymnastics,
Soccer, stuff like that.
and something else every day.
Oh, that's cool.
Like ballet or something.
Yeah.
It's part of the curriculum.
Yeah.
Or physical stuff or anything.
Huh?
Where is it?
Up off of Woodman. Yeah, but no, it's off of Fillmore. Fillmore and I-25.
Are you yelling at me? No, you better not. Bye. So some makeup? Okay.
Check out my toes. What if my toes were
Ew.
this? And they were that color too. They were that color.
They call you Dragon Toes.
I would have to get my socks cut at the toe.
It would be disgusting.
Ugh.
No,
Mommy,
that's
can you
a
give me a
Republican
foot rub?
hair.
Mommy, can you give me a foot
Huh?
rub?
No, your feet are dirty anyway. Walk around here.
Check out my feet.
Yes. What?
Makeup on.
Okay.
She's showing you her makeup she put on.
Oh, makeup time?
Oh, my toes fell down
I
after.
think she's here. Ooh, look at that pretty girl. Hey. So,
Look at my toenails. Nasty.